Dollar Tree is my pottery barn in Williams, Sonoma. In 1 minute of this video, I'm gonna save you over $200. Dollar Tree sells this spatula for $1.50 that is literally $19 on Williams Sonoma website. And come over here, Pottery Barn pillows are $60 for almost this exact same pillow. I love this one. It comes in multiple colors. Let me know which one you would grab. I'm really excited to put this on my front porch. So cute, right? Here, what would Doitonadime be without an organizing hack? You remember that Dollar Tree brought back a brand new line of organizing products. Their acrylic storage literally went gangbusters in 2026, and I love to grab these little Lazy Susans, and then I grab a Dollar Tree stacking tray. We're gonna make a super cute coffee station you can do very quickly. Another fabulous $1.50 find are these lidded pumpkins. And I've got a super cool hack if you want to turn this into a Pottery Barn dupe. Check it out.
These white pumpkins from Pottery Barn are super cute, but they are $78 for a set of 4, and their tiered trays are really expensive. I was so excited to see that the Lazy Susan fit perfectly in the bottom. It's great for the moon pies and my coffee pods. But I promised you we were going to save over $200, so let's do it.
If you want to, you can take a clear container like this one, and these lids fit perfectly on top. That way you can see the candy inside, and this is a really cool Pottery Barn dupe. It saves you 30 bucks. You know what I'm saying? Actually, it might even save you more. It saves you a lot. I don't know. It's on screen. It saves you a lot, okay?
Look at how cute this looks. I'm going to show you how to make that pumpkin, and I have even some trash to treasure finds coming up you may not have heard of. Trust me, you don't want to miss the next part of this video. Plus, I've got a funny story for you too.
And I am so excited to announce that today's video is brought to you in part by Get Organized HQ, a free event where you get to come and see me as a keynote speaker. I have an entire session on living well inside the life you have, with tons of positivity, organizing tips and tricks. This event has over 100 speakers and over 100,000 participants. It has been so fun to encourage women to get organized, giving them practical tips, and the ticket is totally free. The event begins on September 14th. Be sure to grab your free ticket. I cannot wait to see you there. The link will be in the pinned comment below. I've got a $1.50 hack coming up, but first I'm gonna save you $50. Brand new this year is this candle. Amber glass is trending everywhere, and these are about $30 a piece for the same size at Pottery Barn. This scent is pumpkin buttered rum, and it smells so good. Not only do I love these containers, I also love the clear ones. Cashmere vanilla, you know, is one of my favorite scents. These clear pumpkin containers are rivaling what you find at Pottery Barn. These are two fabulous buys from DT. Pumpkin cheers.
Cashmere vanilla and pumpkin buttered rum. The throw is great on these. Trust me, this will give you a home scent that feels curated and high-end.
Look at these expensive Pottery Barn pumpkins. All you have to do is grab this little pumpkin from Dollar Tree, and what I like to do is take this off, stick a light underneath. My goodness, it looks just like Pottery Barn. I decorate my entire house to look like Pottery Barn from Dollar Tree. From this swag that I set on tables with candlesticks, it's all from Dollar Tree. From vases, like I shared in my last video, and even my front door wreath, it came from Dollar Tree. But what I didn't share with you last time were these really cool doormats. Now, if I'm gonna spend money on something, I feel like outside is the way to go, especially for Halloween. Pottery Barn has similar mats for $40. These are $5. They're super cute. This one's my favorite. I'm obsessed. There's more. Oh my goodness. Now I have to decide. Decisions. What would you pick?
Stay tuned to see which of these 3 mats I chose, plus a little makeover I have coming up.
This is insane. Pottery Barn is charging almost $100 for terracotta pumpkins. This little pumpkin is $5, and we're gonna do a terracotta-esque DIY. You don't wanna miss this one. Who is spending $100 on a pumpkin?
Not me. I grabbed some toasted bagel paint from Home Depot. I poured it on a plate, and then I sprinkled baking soda from my cabinet. This is the viral trick to make your paint look like terracotta, and the key is that toasted bagel color. You can paint this on anything, and what I love about this DIY is it can be a jack-o'-lantern, but you can also turn it backwards so it just looks like a pumpkin when it's not Halloween. Then, when the paint is still wet, you want to sprinkle baking soda over the top. And this is going to give it some dimension and texture. And what I like to do is blend it in with a brush. I know this looks a little crazy, but after enough brushing, it looks like this, which is so similar to the Pottery Barn version. And like I said, before Halloween, just turn him around so you just see the back of the pumpkin. It's equally as elegant and doubles down for 2 seasons.
Pottery Barn is known for its giant ghosts, which I love. You can replicate that from Dollar Tree for $1.50. I'm gonna grab a couple of these ghosts. Check this out.
Stay tuned for this DIY. I think it's one of my favorite of the video.
This is the easiest thing for any holiday. Come to the card section. All you have to do is grab a card like this one. Isn't this like super cool? And just put this in a frame. This is definitely giving Pottery Barn elevated, but on a budget. Move over Target for $40. You can buy a haunted house. You can get one at Dollar Tree for $5. I really like this one. But my favorite and most asked item in my home is my moving books. These are so cool, and Dollar Tree sells them this year.
When I say this is the same product, it's the same product. Look at these books that move. They're super cool. They're $29 at Lowe's right now. Dollar Tree has the same exact thing for $7. It works in the same way. Don't miss it because it sells out quickly.
These are trending this year at Pottery Barn. These skeleton glasses champagne flutes, a set is $130. These are $1.50 at Dollar Tree. It is virtually the same thing. We are not sacrificing quality on Doitonadime. These los champagne flutes. Wow. These little skeleton hands, which are really great serveware, very similar to Pottery Barn. They also have these really cool snakes too. I am quite a fan. Vintage Halloween is trending everywhere, and I personally love this $1.50 lace table runner. When you combine these things together, it looks really good.
I love that there is no DIY required. Straight out of the box for $1.50, these look exactly like what you would find at Pottery Barn. My recommendation is to go with the chrome finish because this looks the most high-end. It sort of depends on what you combine things with too. That's going to give it a really elevated look. And I love lace. Perhaps you don't even need to buy something new. You can have a little trash to treasure moment. I just got these Dollar Tree styrofoam balls and I took my grandmother's old lace. Nobody really uses doilies around the house anymore. I mixed 1 part Mod Podge with 1 part water. I stirred it together and then you can use these to create mini ghosts. I really love that this was my grandma's. It makes me think of her every time I see these ghosts out in my home. And I always grew up a really big Halloween person just because I loved the DIY element of creating costumes. I did not grow up working with a Pottery Barn budget. We did not buy our costumes from the store. We made a lot of them. And then as I got older, I started making my Halloween costumes. I also lived in Michigan, which historically is extremely cold for Halloween. So my grandma made this Snow White costume. And if you wanted to be a princess, you had to wear a winter coat under your princess outfit. When I was in middle school, I made my costumes like this Jack-in-the-Box that I made out of an old box. And one year I was a picnic table. Like I glued all of the food onto it. But as you can see, it rained that year, so when I went trick-or-treating, everybody thought I was a bag of garbage. No matter, everybody knew who my brother was, which was a ghost that year. So in honor of Adam's year as a ghost, I'm going to be making a ghost for our front porch, but that looks like the Pottery Barn version. Take a Dollar Tree ghost and take off the top, and then you're going to add a battery-operated fairy light pack. I found these at Dollar Tree, and the best way to adhere them is just with some white duct tape. You want to string the lights under the ghost, and I like to bend them over the wired arms. That's going to help them stay in place. That gives it a wonderful subtle glow, but to make these look like the Pottery Barn version, I take the face that's on it and put that on the back side so I can glue on my own eyeballs. Not my actual eyeballs, okay, but cardstock eyeballs. Mine is a covered porch. You could also laminate these or use a styrofoam. Walgreens even charges $40 a piece for ghosts like this, so I'm just saying.
We are now getting to the real savings. Pottery Barn sells this ghost wreath for $89. We can do that straight from Dollar Tree. All you have to do is grab these little packs of ghosts. This is $3 for the pack. I'm gonna grab 2 of these. And if you wanted to make the little ghost yourself, for $1.50, Dollar Tree does sell cheesecloth. And you see the little ghosts on here? You could do it yourself if you wanted to, but this is pre-made and I am all about the easy.
Turns out 2026 is the year of the cute ghost at the Sneerly family house. So I took a Dollar Tree wire wreath and then I wrapped the battery pack lights around. What I really like about the Dollar Tree battery pack lights, these are in the plus section. They are $5 and worth it because they're on a timer. So you end up using less batteries. I zip tie on the light pack and then I just hot glued on my little ghosties. I love Dollar Tree sparkly ribbon and it ties really well on with a zip tie and then just some knots onto the wire wreath form. It makes it perfect for hanging. I am so excited that I can put together a front porch for right around $27 using all Dollar Tree products, nothing from any other store. And in my opinion, it looks just as good as the Pottery Barn versions. That's why you come here, right? For simple ideas that you could do without having to spend a lot of time or money.
Be sure to get your free ticket to Get Organized HQ. If you like the simplicity on this channel, easy ideas on a budget, simple organizing ideas, you don't want to miss this one. Link is down below. Nobody has told you today. Guess what? Boo are enough.
Won't you come?